this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, welcome. We're really glad you're here. We hope you like what you'll see and you'll hit that red subscribe button below. We've got a new cooking video for you today. This is another Instant Pot experiment. This is something that we have had our whole lives growing up in the South. Boiled peanuts are something that's very common where we live. We have made them all of our married life, and our parents made them. You can either boil them on the stove in a big Dutch oven in salted boiling water, or we often do them outside on our patio in like a big cooker rather than using oil. We just use water. But we wanted to experiment and try them in the Instant Pot. We didn't add enough salt, but otherwise the process was spot on. So let us show you how we make boiled peanuts in an Instant Pot. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoy the video. If you have fresh raw peanuts available to you, the only thing you'll need is peanuts, water, and salt, and an Instant Pot. So let's give this one a try. I read several recipes. They said, and the peanuts do float. They said you'll have to weight them down. I saw a couple of suggestions. One was to take the trivet that came with your Instant Pot and weight it down. I have a trivet that I ordered that I use when I make potato salad and different things. I think I'm going to try to weight it down with that. Just remember, never go above the max line for whatever size Instant Pot you've got. Now I'm going to put the lid on and we're going to set it to cook. I looked at several recipes on Pinterest. I found times ranging from 50 minutes to 80 minutes. I've got mine set for 60. We'll check them then. We can always cook them longer. And I am going to let them natural pressure release. So I'm thinking this is probably going to be about an hour to an hour 45 minutes. And I will come back and check them and we'll see how they do. In the pot outside over a gas propane tank or in a Dutch oven on my stove, these generally take 3.5 hours, so this is going to cut it about in half. Took a little longer than I thought, and I actually finished releasing the pressure. It took a while to come up to pressure, probably because of the amount of water. We cooked them and we've released the pressure for about 35 minutes. Now we're going to check them out, see how they taste. Alright, so you just pop them open. Eat the soft insides. So these are boiled peanuts in the Instant Pot. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel, Let's Cook, y'all. I hope if you like cooking videos, grocery hauls, what's for dinners, you'll hit that red subscribe button and come back. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.